Hi friends, how are you? In this video clip, I am going to brief you on textile design part, that is fabric weaving part. Already I covered 2-3 videos on basic views, that is twill view, satin view, plain view. Now in this class I am clubbing these 3 views. What is the difference between plain view, twill view and satin view? That I am going to explain on the board, not by any software digital editing, just as a classroom. Okay, now see, already you know the textile designs, that is basic views. The fabric is woven on the loom machines by using warping threads and the weft picking shuttles. Okay, now that is the mechanism of weaving. Now we'll see. Now in this first plain view, we will compare what is the difference between plain view, twill view and satin view. Okay, here in this, see, I am going to draw a view, the threads, the planning threads. This is the view of plain view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 9, okay, 10 weft thread I took, like that. The longitudinal threads I am taking 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some variation is there, and I have not used any scale. By freehand I have drawn this figure. So there is a variation in the lining will be there, not straight lines. Okay, okay. This is the plan of plain view. Here, whatever these threads are there, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the longitudinal warp threads. Okay. Now here in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the picks. These are the picks. Weft thread. Okay. These are the picks. These are longitudinal threads and these are the horizontal threads. Now in this plain view, you know the plain view, there is since many years, it is a olden, the basic starting view of the textile industries. When man came to know how to weave the compact fabric, from that time onwards, the first view on the loom plain view, that is one up and one down. This is a plain view. This is a basic view. Whatever today's video class is on basic views, the foundation views of the textile woven fabrics. Further modification done by keeping this plain view, like 2 by 2 views, 2 by 1 views, Those are other things are there that we'll see later. Now you understand all this. Now I am taking one upon one. This whatever the mark I am doing here, into mark, this into mark shows the warp thread is moving up on the weft threads, and again down, going down. The minus indicates that the warp thread is going down. Here warp thread is going up, warp thread is going down. Warp thread is going up, warp thread is going down. Warp thread is going up, warp thread is going down. Warp thread is going up, moving up, is going down. Now the second alternate thread. This is in this, the second alternate thread is moving. This is first down because the side of the thread is moving up. This 1 is also moving up, 3 is also moving up, 4 is moving down, 5 is moving up, 6 is moving down, 7 is moving up, 8 is moving down, 9 is moving up, 10 is moving down. But this is the logic views. So that then only the interlacement of the threads will happen. Now I am moving this up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, up, 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 down. See, like this I am computing. Just see here. Okay, this is the interlacement of warp and weft 1 by 1, 1 up and 1 down. Plain weave. This weave is used for any kind of fiber fabrics, for cotton fabrics, for linen fabrics, for polyester fabrics, for nylon fabrics, whatever the fabrics. This plain weave is the most worldwide acceptable textile weaves. This weave is, for this weaves, the fineness of the yarn used are from 10 denier in synthetic fibers and coarser count 120 counts, any count in cotton. In natural fiber cotton, even 100 to 120 counts are used. In case of polyester and nylon, 10 denier is also used to make a very thin, fine, lightweight fabrics. Okay, and also in synthetics or 10 denier or 20 denier fabrics, or you can say the weight of the fabrics may be 30 GSM, 30 grams per meter, grams per square meter, 40 grams per square meter, 50 grams per square meter. These are all achieved by using this plain weave in the polyester or especially in the nylon, by using the finest yarns, so that lightweight fabrics can be manufactured by this plain weave. Okay, in cotton also, the wild fabrics, cambric fabrics, wild fabrics, 60s cambric, 80s wild, these are all produced by this plain weave. Okay, and also if we come with the heavyweight fabrics like 200 GSM, about 200 GSM, that is canvas fabrics, or heavyweight uniform fabrics are also used this plain weave fabrics. Okay, this is very widely worldwide and mostly applied textiles. Any loom is in the industry is there that is used the plain weave fabrics. Okay, plain weave fabrics is the oldest fabric. Okay, now see, this is up and down, up and down. This is the plain weave thing, plain weave. The plain weave plan is there. This is the structure of the plain weave. This is a front plan. Now for this drafting will be there, for this drafting and lifting plan, lifting plan also there, that I explained in the specific specific views. If required, I will explain in another one more views. Only in this video I am covering only what is the difference between the plane view, twill view and satin views. Okay, this is, hope you understood one by one plane view. Okay, this is, I am writing here, one up, one down, plane view. Hope this class is helping the students of diploma in textile technology and the JOC or local whatever the textile colleges are there, those who are studying the colleges, engineering or diploma, JOC, whatever is there. Now I am drawing further twill view. Same, simple, the basic twill view. Here also I am writing here one, I mean same number of threads I am taking here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 warp threads, longitudinal threads I took. Okay, then weft thread picks, horizontal threads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 threads I took. Now, see, now I am going to understood how I written this warp threads, weft threads, same. These whatever part I written here 1 to 10 numbers and horizontally and vertically, same is applied here. But only difference is this is the plane view and this is the twill view. This is the twill view. Okay. Basic view I am telling. Basic, if the word basic comes, the basic. This is the basic. One by one is the basic. Here the basic is 2 up, 1 down. Is the basic twill view. Basic twill. Okay, basic twill view. Only the foundation of the design, interlacement. Now you see, I will start marking. Now I will see the starting marking the points. Now see, 2 up, 1 down. 2 longitudinal threads are moving up, 2 up, 1 down. Okay, here this first thread I am writing here. Okay, it's required, hopefully it's required number, writing number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, see here I am marking now 2 up, 1 down means 2 threads of longitudinal threads, that is warp threads, floating on the top of the weft threads, horizontal threads. See, the first thread is moving up, 2 threads is floating, 2 threads, the longitudinal threads, warp thread is floating on 2 threads of the weft and going down 1 threads, moving up 2 threads, going down 1 threads, moving up 2 threads, going down 1 thread, moving up 2 threads. Okay, because here I cannot write because I taken only 10 by 10 is there. So suppose here I written here 1 more thread, it will be here. No need, understanding. Now this is first thread is moving, 2 up is moving, it is floating on the 2 threads of the weft and going down 1 threads of the weft, 2 threads of the weft, 1 thread, like that, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, it's moving. Now the second, immediate to the first thread, second thread, here moving, here in this case, the first thread is here, it is moving down. First thread is, it is moving down. It is moving down. Now the next is 2 up. Here 2 threads are up and 1 down. 2 up, 1 down. Okay, here 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down. In this second thread, second longitudinal thread, what thread is here? The first thread is going down, then it's floating 2 threads on top of the F threads, then going down, again 2 up, 1 down. See, compare what is the difference between 1 and 2. Here the number 1 F thread is the first thread is moving up on the first thread. This same 1 thread is moving on the second thread, but the second longitudinal thread is moving down and moving up. This is the difference. Alternate, so little bit changes is there. That is a twill wheel. It is producing a diagonal effect. Okay, now what? Second, here it's supposed to. Here I am writing up. Here I am writing here. Now this is up is there, down is there. Okay. Now 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up. Okay. Now I will continue. Okay. Now you see where these twill views are used. The application, the end use of the twill views, the end application of twill views are used for banding the bottom weights. Bottom weight is are used in the bottom weight. 1 weight, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down. Yeah, 2 up, it's a down. 2 up. Now 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up. Here this twill weight, 2 up, 1 down twill or 3 up, 1 down twill, these are used for the bottom weights, especially for pants, shorts, skirts. These are used. Okay. See what we are using, the men's, what we are using, the men's pants, shorts, these are made with the what? This twill view. Twill view gives compactness to the fabric as well as closeness, compactness, and increase the weight of the fabric compared to the 1 minute. Okay. Here 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down is there. Next here is coming here 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down. Now 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down. Just I am making convenient. 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down. Nowadays, these twill fabrics also used for shirtings and also especially in denims, denim pants, jeans, denim shirts. These are all used with this twill views. 2 by 1 is the basic twill view. The modification of this twill view is 3 by 1 twill and 3 by 2 twill, like that it's there. It's a modification, further modifications. These are all the things. Okay. Compared to plain view, this fabric is increasing the weight of the fabric. In twill view also 10 thread by 10 longitudinals are there, 10 horizontals are there. But here what is the change is there? The difference in the weight of the fabrics, difference in the cover factor of the fabric. Okay, the difference in the cover factor. What is cover factor? Means the closeness of the fabric, the air space compared to plain view, the air space in the quill is very less, the air gap between the yarns. Okay, but here also same threads are there, same 10 by 10 threads are there, here also 10 by 10 threads are there, same count threads are there, say you say 20s count and 20s count, but the GSM of this quill is more than the GSM of the plain view. Okay, now you see what difference is there. This quill view is what we have produced, there is a diagonal effect is there. You see diagonal, see diagonal effect is there, the diagonals are produced, these diagonal effects are there. Okay, like that diagonals are there. Okay, some changes are there. This is 2 up 1 down is there. This is a diagonal effects. 2 up 1 down, 2 up 1 down. If you produce perfectly calculated with the calculated threads, then we'll come to know the reason. Here these quills are there. These are the direction of this quill. The diagonal affect the appearance on the fabric. The diagonal lines are appeared on the quill fabrics. These are called diagonal fabrics. Okay. See, in this case, now here quill is there. Now what is the difference here? Now hopefully whatever it is, I hope some mistake is there while marking is there, that you can check 2 by 1 quill, 2 by 1 quill, it's produced 2 by 1 quill, 2 by 1 quill is there, here 2 by 1 quill. Actually as supposed to here I am making it correct only. Okay, 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 4th thread is correct is there. Next 5th thread, here it should come, here thread, here, next, this is line is there, next, this is correct is there, this is correct, and this is 2 up 1 down, 2 up 1 down is there, this is also correct, 2 up 1 down, okay, here, see, now the difference here is there, here up, in horizontal also up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down is there. Here also 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down. Vertically 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down. Horizontally 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down is there. 2 up, 1 down, 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 2 up, 1 down. Okay, this is quill view. Now we'll go for satin fabrics. Okay, basic satin. Again I am writing here 10 threads I am taking here, 1, 2, okay, just I am moving here, just to take it here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, here last 10 I am writing here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 threads. These are 10 by 10 threads are there. Okay. Now this is 2 by 1 is there. Usually in satin fabric there are two satins, warp satin and weft satin will be there. Warp satin means the number of floats moving on the warp satin is towards the longitudinal fabric length of the fabrics. That is, the warp threads are floating more in case of warp satin, but in case of weft satin, the weft threads are moving more than the warp threads. Now I am comparing here only the warp threads I am noting. That is 4 by 1. Compared here 2 up 1 down is the quill, but in case of satin, now 4 up 1 down I am making here. Number of float 4 up, 4 warp threads and 1 weft threads. Okay, this is the longitudinal threads, this is the horizontal threads. Now again I am marking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 threads are there. Now we start marking here. 4. The first thread is moving on the 4 threads of the weft threads. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first thread is moving 4 threads on the 4 threads of the horizontal threads, that is picks, whatever you call picks or weft, and going down of the only one weft threads. Again moving 1, 2, 3, 4 and moving 1 down. Okay. Next here, in this case, it's leaving one part here. Again we take a 1, 2, 3, 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I'm going to complete. See, in this the satin views are used. Where is used the satin views? Satin view fabrics 4x1 or 5x1, 6x1, 7x1. These are the fabrics used for the lining, for polyester fabrics, polyester linings, especially in the linings of the here, the jacket linings will be there, this coat linings, the suits linings, and ladies blouse, and fashionable wears, especially nowadays the trend is there. What is nowadays? There is a trend of using the satin fabrics. These satin fabrics gives a very luster and shiny to the fabrics, especially the functional fabrics, that is party fabrics, the ladies or girls, women wear in the parties. Okay, those fabrics are the shiny fabrics, whatever are there, those are all used with the satin fabrics. Satin gives luster. I am going to show you the same number of threads 10 by 10 for the satin weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here I am cutting 10. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, same 10 by 10 threads I taken, 10 warp threads and 10 weft threads. And I am writing here the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the this is for the satin weave. Satin weave, in satin weave there are two types of satin, that is warp satin and weft satin. In warp satin the number of floats of the longitudinal threads or warp threads are more, but in case of weft threads the number of threads floating are more number of floatings of the weft threads over the warp threads. That's why it is calling as, based on the number of floats, it's calling as warp satin and weft satin. Now the basic thing is 3 by 1 twill. In case of twill, 2 by 1 twill is there, 3 by 1 twill is there, 3 by 2 twill is there. If we go for 4 by 1 twill is not there. Even we can call 4 by 1 as a twill, but it is calling as satin. Instead of calling 4 by 1 twill, we can everybody is not be generally it is referred as 4 by 1 satin, not twill. And in this code, just to show you the basic things, the start of the basic thing is 4 up, 1 down, warp satin. I am writing warp satin, S-A-T-I-N, weft satin, S-A-T-E-E-N. In this case, 4 warp threads are floating over the weft threads and 1 warp thread and going down 1 threads. Here, see like this. I am writing here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 threads. The number 1 thread, warp threads number 1 is floating on the 4 threads and going down 1 thread. Floating on 4 threads and going 1 threads. Okay, 4 up, 1 down, 4 up, 1 down. Here, how many threads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there. So one more is required. Okay, I'm drawing here one more top. Okay, I'm covering. Okay, so 4 up, 1 down, 4 up, 1 down. Okay, see, number 1, thread number 1 is going 4 threads over the back, 4 threads up and 1 thread down, 4 up threads up and down. Now next is starting here. This is down 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 threads up, 1 threads down. 4 threads up, 1 thread is down. This is how the next floats are moving. See, now I'm continuing in the marking the threads. Okay, I'm floating. Now you see, these satin fabrics are used where the end application is there. These satin fabrics. These satin fabrics are used for inner lining, the lining fabrics, polyester linings. Okay, for polyester lining and ladies blouses, women's wear, kids wear and party wear, wherever the shiny is required and wherever the smooth is required, wherever the glossy is required, these satin fabrics are used. Okay, this because of the number of floats more, whether longitudinally or whether horizontally, that is whether it is a warp satin or weft satin, the appearance is also very shiny, glossy, and also the hand, in the hand it's a very smooth fabric. It gives very smooth, okay, very smoothness in hand, and also skin, touch to the skin on the body. It is very smoothie to the skin touch. Okay, it's a very friendly to the skin touch. So this satin is also used for the night wears. For men's or women's, it's used for night wearers, that is night gowns. Gowns used by the women's or men's. And also for bed sheets, also it is used. Okay, for bed sheets, and even sometimes it is used for table covers, or sometimes bed sheet, upholsteries and furnitures. Okay, these are things are used. Okay, 4 up, 1 down, 4 up, 1 down. Here 4 up, 1 down, 4 up. Now, and also compared to plain view, these fabrics are less in weight compared to quill view, less in weight, but only thing is weight almost same as plain view in this case. The cover factor or the compactness is usually normal compactness is there. It is not a very close tight fabrics, satin fabrics. The feature of the satin fabric is the glossy, smooth, shiny. Okay, there. Especially because of this slippy in nature and good drape. It produces good drape and slippy in nature. So that is the reason it is used for the lining fabrics for suits, coats, and whatever the other fabrics are there. Okay. Now I will come back with the explanation on satin. See, in this satin, see, same number of threads are there. Here 10 by 10 threads are there. Here 10 by 10 threads are there. Here 10 by 10 threads are there. Here the float of threads, one up, one down is there. Here the floating of the threads is 2 up, 1 down is there. Here the floating of threads is 4 up, 1 down, 4 up, 1 down is there. Here, because of the satin here, I am marking here this part, the floating part. See, I am marking here this floating part gives it influence on producing the shininess. This part, shine. It gives the smooth hand. It gives the smooth hand. It gives the smooth hand. Some mistake is there here. I am covering that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It gives the smoothness. This part. See, floating here. This float creates. See how many are there? Because of this, the floating of number of floats are there. The warp threads are moving number of floats on the weft threads. This gives good smoothness, friendly in nature to the skin. Okay, friendly to the skin in touch. It is used for night gowns, for men's and women's, bed sheets and lingeries and suits, coating, inner linings, and also industrial applications also there. Now I am concluding. These are the basic waves. Plain wave 1 by 1, twill wave 2 by 1, and satin wave, warp satin at the 4 by 1. If in case of weft satin, instead of longitudinal vertical floats, in this weft satin like this, its weft satins are floating like this. Okay, that you can try in your notebooks or books. See, in these 3 basic waves, the only difference here is even we use the same thread, same fineness, say 20s, okay, not 20s, to produce, we can say for satin 40s count will take, 40s cotton count will take, even 40 by 40 cotton count used for plain view, same 40 by 40 cotton used for 2 by 1 twill, same 40 by 40 cotton used for satin views. What is the outcome of the results? The outcome is there is a lot of difference between the weight of the fabrics. Weight difference is there, hand feel difference is there, roughness and smoothness difference is there, dyeability difference is there, and dyeability means affinity towards the dye is also influence the structures, and also compactness and air permeability. Air permeability is also influencing, moisture regain is influencing, strength is influencing, strength means the tensile strength is influencing, tear strength is influencing, and also shrinkage influencing, testing parameters, these are all the things, and also the width, the fabric width is also influencing. We have used same counts, same 10 by 10 threads are there, longitudinal warp 10 threads, weft 10 threads, same 40s count, same number of fineness yarns is used, same fiber, same fineness is there, but the outcome is difference is there. That produce different if we test these fabrics in testing lab gives different results of testing results. That is maybe physical or chemicals. Hope you understood this basic class, the lengthy class. Especially I produced not for the industrial people, especially for the students this class I given, because it is everybody is asking this class. It is clear even for fashion designers or students of diploma, JOC or handloom technology, MTech or BTech, whatever textile technology is there, for them it is helpful. Hope you understood. Please subscribe my channel. Those who have not yet subscribed, please share to your friends. Please like it my videos and click the icon bell. Thank you very much.